Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have a compact 45 fully completed, and it's going to be tested, and it's going to go out to Louisiana to a gentleman out there. And we just take so much pride in everything we do. The quality is outstanding. Our headers are second to none in the industry. We designed our own way of putting these heat exchanger headers and heaters together to allow you to have durability, long life. Everything is like quarter plate. Look at this, quarter plate all the way through. Laser cut, well organized, easy breathe. Look, the air can just flow right across, flow this way and right across, and then you get components that are going to last a longer time. You're not going to end up with trapped in heat. And how about when you want to go and change those belts? What a pain it is to take a louvered cover off and having to pull the Allen wrench screws off and then have those parts missing when you're trying to pull it off. And then by the time you get into the interior, it's not organized. It's hidden by wire twisted pair power cables and partitions that really prohibit you from being able. It's very detrimental to your ease of maintenance and repair of these units. So you want to be able to get in there. You want your engine to last a long time. You want your rotor shaft to last a long time. You want it to run cool. This is the concept in which will make your truck mount last a longer time. The way these are built, we've been doing for almost 18 years. We know what we're doing. I've been 44 years in the industry, so I've used all different types of truck mounts, rebuilt truck mounts, seen how they're designed. And this is a very user-friendly unit. This was designed to make it easy, get high performance, high quality, low downtime, to be able to get those carpets clean. Well, guess what? We use full pipe convention. So this intake line here is 2.5. This is 2.5. This was built for a 2.5. The problem we have in manufacturers is they cut down and reduce the inlet, which causes the airflow to starve from the blower and create friction heat, low CFM, and poor inches of lift, leaving you with wet carpets. So the idea is to get full pipe convention all the way through. We have a 713cc Duramax, which is a Honda engine, really great engine. We got great oil cooler on there. We got everything really durable, very easy to operate, 3-year warranty, very sturdy. We've been selling these units with the Duramax all over the place. Even the 45SC series 45s and 36s use this engine. A lot of torque, just a lot of durability. As you can see, we have custom power cables. For the cables for your battery, all custom made, not those stiff type that you get in an auto dealership. They're really nicely put together. We have a drain for your water pump and a spyglass in there where you can check the oil level and do your oil fill at the top. This pump is very resilient to heat. This will get up to 2,000 plus. And the reason I say that is that our heat exchangers are 3,500 pounds pressure rated stainless heavy walled tubing and a matrix patented design that's been out for more than 15 years, and we've just really done well with it between the heat and the durability of these heaters, as well as the headers, all stainless flex hose. How can you go wrong? Look at the way this is put together, all well machined. This is my artwork and skill set. This is what I'm all about. This is how I build. I'm the designer and originator of Blue Baron, and I enjoy what I do, but I enjoy putting together something that's going to last a long time. I don't want to see any of these in a repair shop. I want to see those people out there making money and no downtime at all. I've had a really good repair record because of the quality of the materials and workmanship that I put into these units. This will do 2,000 plus PSI working pressure. Why turn down a pressure job in these days? You want all the jobs. You don't want to be subject to saying, well, I can't get over 1,200 because I've got some other system manufacturer that can only do 1,200 PSI. And they purposed out to eliminate the high end, a lot of these manufacturers, because they have the cheap copper core heat exchangers that blow up over 1,200. So with these, they're 3,500 pounds pressure rated. You can't go wrong with these. You want to be able to get that high pressure for your system and be able to get more jobs, make more money. Look at this, all nicely put together. We got a water box here. We've got belts, all B-size series belts. There's no couplers on this. We don't use Lovejoy couplers because they blow up, and when they do, they're very, very dangerous, and they can be dangerous for your business too because they can cause you to lose jobs. So we've had a lot of good luck. I know one guy here in Florida. You can call him anytime you'd like, and he had 5 years on these belts. 5 years. He's done really well with these with this unit, and like I said, they're high quality belts. They're B size, so they're not A size. They're B size with H bushings, double pulleyed. So we always use the double pulley for our blower so that you don't get any slippage and you get true maximum transfer of power and precision. And just like everything here is just put together in a really good way. I mean, the quarter plate, you know, this absorbs a lot of vibration. It's smooth running, durable, all laser cut, all elongated holes and cutouts that were professionally, I professionally drafted up all my designs and made sure everything fell into place to make a very precision, well put together truck mount. Very nicely put together, very good looking, belt guards, everything is here. You got your oil WD-40 that you spray down to protect the lobes in your blower. You've got your water inlet, you've got your bypass adjuster, hand adjuster, unloader for your water pressure, and your HDs measured in HDs mercury lift for your blower. That will tell you how much suction you're getting, how much CFM, and temperature gauge, tell you the temperature of the system. Last step injection. So last step injection will help keep the detergent and alkalis outside of your coil system in your interconnects and your coil system of your heat exchanger. So that's very important. It will make everything last a lot longer, the last step injection system. So we also have directions here on how to operate, how to cool down, how to start up. All stainless pipes, high quality, just nothing galvanized here. This is all stainless. Then we got our variant here for our thermostatic control and heat control. You got your hour tachometer, so you do your tachs on your hours and you find out what your run speed is. We have an aviator throttle, but actually they use this in a like aircraft. You know, weigh many thousands of feet up in the air. Real heavy casing, very well constructed, real easy to push out, extra large control button, and you know, to pull out in and out. And then also you have a variant too, so you can get those fine-tuned RPMs that'll allow you to get where you want in the RPMs. It's just a well laid out machine. We also have an accessory here, and that accessory is for your pump out. It could be for your pressure pump, for your freshwater tank. So as you can see, everything is well put together. A silencer to keep decibel dampening down so you don't get that high pitch, resonating pitch from your lobes inside your blower. So if you're doing noise sensitive areas, it'll help keep people off your back and not have people complaining about the noise, especially if it gets toward the evening near residential areas. So as you can see, we take a lot of pride in what we do. And call us today at 727-505-2989 or go online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.